Hello students! In this chapter logic, in the previous module, you learned about many connectives in detail. While in this module, you're going to learn about conjunction connective and that too in detail. Yes, ready for it? So, here comes the examples. Some examples in front of you. The first example is, a mobile requires battery, dash, SIM card. You can observe that blank space there. I want you to fill that blank space with any one word. Let that words be and, or. These are the two words given to you. Which one you will use? You will think about it that a mobile requires battery as well as SIM card. Both the things are required, and that simply says you will use only one word, and that word is and. Yes. Now we'll move to another example. 2, 4, 6, 8 are counting numbers as well as even numbers, and that simply says the first word which strikes in your mind is and. Yes, you will try to fill that blank space with word and. Now class, next example is nothing but a Venn diagram in front of you, and in that Venn diagram the shaded portion, and that shaded portion is of A and B. That means elements of A and B both are present in that region, and therefore the statement for that region will be A and B. So class, here are three examples in front of you, but what do you observe? The same thing in all the three examples, that and word. Yes, there is a similarity in all the three examples. And what is that similarity? For the first example, both battery as well as SIM card condition should be satisfied. Yes. While for the second example, again both condition of counting numbers as well as even numbers should be satisfied, or both should be true. While for last example as well, as elements of A and B both should be present in that region. So what do you observe for all these three examples? That one word is in common. That word is nothing but both. Yes class, both the conditions, and therefore whenever in examples both the conditions need to be satisfied, then at that time we use one connective, and that connective is and connective. Okay class, understood? Where we have to use word and whenever we require both the conditions to be satisfied, to be true. Okay, so at least now you understood where should we use and. Now we will learn how we should get the truth table with the help of some examples. The first example in front of you is 3 is a prime number, and the second one is every rectangle has 4 sides. And now if I try to join both of them, combine both the statements with the word and, then you will say that this statement is right only when both the statements are right. That means both the statements are correct. Now, if for this truth table we have this two statement named as P, Q, where P is 3 is a prime number and Q is every rectangle has 4 sides. And now we try to prepare the truth table for it, where the first column should be for P, second column should be for Q, and the third column should be for P and Q. So now we'll try to prepare the truth table. Ready for it? So what do we learn just now? That the statement is correct. That means the statement is true only when both the statements are correct. That means both the statements should be true. And that simply says one combination. And that combination is, if P is true, Q is true, then the statement is also true. That means P and Q is also true. Understood? Now class, we'll move to next combination. Now we'll talk about next combination. Next combination says the statement can be wrong when any one of the statement is wrong. That means that statement can be false when any one of the statement is false. It can be P to be false, it can be Q to be false. So that means our statement will be false. So you can observe very well, when P is false, statement is also, that is P and Q is also false. When Q is false, again P and Q is false. If any one of the statement is false, it gives the truth value of compound statement to be also false. But class, if both these statements are already false, then if both of them are false, that obviously means yes, the compound statement is also false. Understood? Simple enough. Now class, we'll move to some different keywords for and. What are those different keywords for and which we can use in the place of and? And those are but, yet, though, still, that is neither nor, next one in spite of, and next one is moreover. These are the different keywords for connective and. You're going to learn more about it in the next modules. Till then, thank you.